Huh? Oh, you know you do that cause
oh, you got a gas pedal.
Yeah, that we got a gas pedal on the I thought they did that shit in hand.
Normally we do. On the drive-by wire stuff, we have to put the gas pedal.
A day, 2 days.
They have a prime time.
Right now, we gonna show you that. You know, we pan the camera around, dude. I show how nice and clean and organized everything is. See, we got bolts, pistons, paper, show you know what I mean, rods, to show you everything in here. But we got something here real special, right? Y'all keep trying to wonder, Dunkmaster, how the cars can ride so good on the rims? You know what I mean? When you riding and racing, and you know what I mean, pull it to the stoplight, we ain't cutting off, we hit the gas, we going, we do what we doing. I got Tom over here. He's gonna show you something about something called a cam doctor. Y'all check it out. See what's going on.
Yeah, what we do here for the Dunkmaster is we'll measure each and every lobe, all 16 of them for every cylinder, intake and exhaust. We make sure each one is ground exactly like we asked it to be ground. You'll find there are inconsistencies from time to time. We catch them on here. Once we get the data, it brings it over to the cam doctor. It'll actually spit out a report, and it'll measure 360 degrees the profile of that lobe. With this information, we could take it over to the Spintron machine, and then we could put the exact spring that this thing needs to be stable at the incredible RPMs that he wants to turn with this thing.
All right, now y'all heard all that, right? So the camshaft gonna sound like, oh, let's go, what's one gonna sound like?
Bruh.
You can't face when you see that.
What in the hell?
So this is a valve seat.
Yep, valve seat cutting machine. Yep. Single point, no form cutters. This pilot is within 2/10 of the actual guide, so it rides just like the valve does in there. And it cuts this thing perfectly square to the valve guide. Infinite angles, radiuses if we want radiuses. Switch that over, we can do intake, exhaust valve profiles. Go right in here and I can change any one of these angles. I can make them as big as I want, as small as I want, as many as I want. One straight angle, one straight circle. It does it infinite. That's technology. That's NASCAR technology. Average shop, you ain't gonna find this. You're gonna find an old Surrey or an old VGS or something like that.
Matter of fact, go up here. You see this right here? You see this button? That's the turtle button right there. We don't never illuminate the turtle button right there. See, you see the turtle button is not illuminated.
Yep. All right, so by porting this block, these heads, what does that help?
Airflow. We redirect the amount of air, the quantity. We get rid of turbulence and stuff in the port, so as air enters in, piston creates a depression. The high pressure from the atmosphere or boost comes in through here. The better aligned this is, the better airspeed this is, the more efficient we can get air out of here, the more we can cover out of here.
Intake and exhaust equals gap salts.
I want you to just slightly put your hand over here. It'll try to suck it in that hole. Yes, sir. Keep in mind, this is only sucking at 28 inches.
Oh, okay.
Your engine sucks at 144.
Oh, that's just way stronger than that.
Yes.
So this should blow my damn head off though?
Open this up, we'll get you some suck.
Damn, so this on a 20 and that motor is 4 times, 5 times much?
Yes, sir.
God damn.
Right. So, obviously, you know how fast that air is running through that port.
Yeah.
That's where shape becomes very, very critical.
Uh-huh.
Just like trying to take the off-ramp on the interstate. We go too fast, what's it do?
Yeah,
Run straight. And that's exactly what the air does. It misses the short side, hits the back side, and we lose airflow.
So you do everything there, then we test it here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
So you do a little R&D from there to there.
And what we'll do is open this fixture up, starting with the valve completely closed, and we'll open it up every 50, we'll measure it, or every 100, we'll measure it, and we'll map exactly how much airflow, how much velocity, how much swirl, which way the air is entering the cylinder, and it'll actually give us a graph that'll let us know areas we need to work on. Your exhaust, we'll switch this over, and that's the exhaust blowing out the other side.
Oh, okay, okay. Real
So
deal.
on exhaust, so. These are diamond stones. They don't wear. A set of diamond stones on this head is $650. So you can do the math. Start adding them up. All different grit. All leave different finishes for different type applications. Steel ring, moly ring, boosted motor, NA motor. They all want something different in the cylinder. That's when we test it with this device. Profilometer. We stick this inside the cylinder bore and it scratches the cylinder with this little tiny pin, and that'll actually display the roughness of the cylinder. Each engine wants a different roughness.
So what is it called one more time?
Profilometer.
Profilometer.
Yes, sir.
Profilometer. All that sounds like to me is gap sauce. I don't know about no profilometer, no diamond head. What do you say? Super flow, super duper flow?
Exactly. Pro, flow, super. You're gonna do that shit there again, are you?
Hell no.
I'm gonna have to give you that look.
I know, but that's gap sauce, man. That's what I hear. When y'all hear that bloop, 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 listen here, man. I'm gonna hit the keys and gonna say, right? That what it sound like? Yes or no? Yes.
Jose, so.
That's right. Gap sauce, bro. These boy, them boy, god dang, boy. Let me see some G-Dog. Damn, look at that shit. Damn. See that shit in there. Turbo, boy. That bitch be for real.
Good God.
Damn, the way he handles that, he's used to that shit, ain't he? that like it's familiar. What the hell?
Hey, hold it up to your head. Is it heavy?
Hell yeah, that bit heavy.
never mind.
I'm strong, that ain't nothing.
There's a thumbnail right there.
I'll get you your Gap sticker to put in here.
That's a big ass turbo, bro.
Yeah, man.
That one they were talking.
What? Yeah. Oh, that bit's been easy too. That bit heavy.
Cut your finger off.
Hell yeah. That got a towel housing on that bit. You talk who got a big turbo. Alright now, see what we got right here? We got something that's gonna make real deal gap sauce, okay? So anybody in the don't game, right? Just get ready, this is how I'm gonna do. I'm a long stroke it. Listen here, man. When I blow past you, I'm gonna blow the paint off you. Listen here, long stroke, take baby step. Gap sauce, man. Y'all get ready, man. 2020 is about to be real, boy.
Stalls out the area. Yeah, it stalls out because it can't grab.
So this is a dual ball bearing and all that kind of shit too.
Oh yeah. So a 7-blade actually is way more efficient on top.
So this turbo can make how much horsepower?
All of it.
You're gonna need to work on the car.
Yeah, I know, we already know. It's at the cheddar shop.
Ricky was already talking about putting a front wheel speed sensor and a rear wheel speed sensor on the car and just kind of watch it so you wouldn't spin it all the time.
Yeah.
That thing will put you in the back seat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, long too.
You'll be able to tune on that thing for the next 10 years.
Oh, yeah. So that would say if I put a bigger, stronger motor, then I ain't got to change this. Yeah, that's all.
That'll go a long way.
Yeah, that's all I need.
That's big boy shit there.
That's all I need.
Ain't no Cadillac on the wall.
Hell no. Ain't none of that. Custom made shit. Alright, so this shit here.
It goes in and then out.
Yeah.
In and out.
Hey, Dunk, what you doing, man?
It's almost race season, man. It's almost race season. I got my 3V motor right here, getting almost ready. I got my FCI transmission right here. And then you know, I got my nitrous outlet. We're gonna bring me on through that, man. Hey, it's almost race season, man. City to city, state to state. Y'all know I get down, man. Wow! Wow! Yeah! You wanna be fast like me? Buy 3 feet. That's all.